money. No way you no more go account because you know you get miss. IVF yama we ne way. A son of getting of it all, Oviera no dion. They're not doing for goats, now human being they doing for. Uga gele way. Orphanage ye vereba. Who eti ye do your mama 2 weeks old, you feel buy am, you not go know mama and papa. Who eti ye do with your documents. My late uncle, in first wife buy. Egani IVF in my ladian, a surrogate in my ladian. My late uncle, for my maternal side, his second wife, his first wife, he do orphanage home with my uncle's name. Oya dele money. Begeni. The uncle me bad ya wa. Aga el sete aga me ya the money because why? Na in name na they take bad those children. One boy, one girl. One no areba ni no aguya gbegbu ebeba. Ogun ki agbo mani no dota we yan ye mo mogbo kan. You have to put effort in for your life. If you really want pikin, we get the option. Surrogate there. IVF there. Orphanage river. Now you know the one where you want to choose. On money have a test On money have a test don't me PLC don't me hepatitis B. Not be said they will conquer now. I'm gonna ume de a big band no more. Have a test every yamu yobo. Even as you did so we make choice. We make choice ya do bomwe. Or gapu water you obo we make choice ya. Iya ga do bomwe no omono podo won PLC no we make choice. Oh ben on ya go na segba. Do you have choice? You they disturb everybody. Who we here? Come on, who we here? We are fear we went live video. Who we here? Disturbing everybody. Waiting it do you now? Because say papa demonstrate nega reply saga. Okay, no him, man. Now you be beggar. Ciao. No. Thank you, family. God will bless you now. Now you be beggar, yore. We a beggar. Here we beggar has no choice. No na beggar. Ni also now we own a boya we beggar you obo. Say na so Rita. Now so it's supposed to the beg people. Now everybody like to beg like you. Because the papa demonstrate not supposed to the berang buri. Who you want go beg? May go the beg Monica when they know they play. Who you want go beg Lolo or now you want go beg? How can you go give person 100,000 naira? You use until the saga there. Who good you go near? Not be as equal with grace that time. When they toss na so in the buy pampers for the ewi. Now so in the buy pampers for the ewi. God bless you family. Thank you for the support. Now so in the buy pampers for the ewi. Okay, beg it here. As far as say not be the person can't beg you. Now you go they find their friendship. In ya take buewa vegani. Nene ele dirita or we agbin anue. If you are more anyway because of followers, when they followers now make me like my sneeze. Me, I too go love my sneeze. You see, enoge they feel say maybe I will come the follow and the waka because ogun ogbe viewers. Ogun ki agbe followers. Except say you not get anything to offer to your people. If you not get anything you want to give your people, now you say, I want to go follow it with the play. May forgive me followers. If you really have something to give to your people, you don't need to go. They say, I must go with platform make I take get followers. When you know, say you have the best to give to the people. Everybody must not like you. But you see where you for the fly your witchcraft broad daylight, Iyore, people go see like who they want like. Stop blackmailing people with your barrenness and your incompetentness. Stop blackmailing us. You go use everything to blackmail us. You go follow a week, but we not love you. We don't born for different women. You go use that to blackmail. Oh, go here, Yore. Then you any me and no matter you want to talk, maybe you can say, this one, have a tutu makin, but maybe one day you say me, you reply me. Go a platform you were. You remember when you take saga Mama Faith? Mama Faith no revani. na Mama Blue personal. Mama Faith no go your reva. Na emeka dedeme de ni yake ya ju ama no saju e. Tu we ma enia follow us Mama Blue reva. Follow us retire reva ni. All they no give a reva. All those people are not your people. Now because say you know they sleep. When you night shifting and quarter and you wash him away. They go dead here. Don't think those people are your people. Don't think they are your people. You are dying without saying goodbye. Dead on arrival, now you be. God bless you, family. Dead on arrival. You marry a big boy for follow a big boy for 15 years. Introduction, mamie. Eropa mamie. Which Bini woman you see say Bini man don't gog like that? Where me? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Your shame, they shame me because I am a fool, I don't blood. Now we're supposed to call you to order. Because before you they correct people, they say you want you they correct people, husband and wife. Now you wanted the other wanted the put for Toto. You where you want correct people. Wait it be your own. What is your own evidence? Wait it then where you that people will be proud of. As far as those donations that now they make, it's not your hard money. People's money, they decide to donate the money. It's not your money. If I decide to open foundation, me they support foundations, less privilege and widow. I never place account number. I never take money one cover for year. With my add them money 2 years, not a year. Everybody they do charity different way. So people they establish their siblings. So they pay university school fees. So they pay agreement for people who want their work. You must not come online to say it. You go dress like our royal highness. What you never do just to make sure that you get relevancy. You don't go at us. Well, I'ma see you egbe. I'ma see you egbe. Ekwe mugwe. A frustration we go do judge via do egbe. A cultural group in your field ni say ya twerk your can we go nya ni siya niya. Wanya ni siya niya. E oni sa viaji ariye nu ya we VF. Ariye Luft Abuja. Go to Luft nu gi ya fi wa komo gweriye. You are sack as swine. A greediness or say no man TBA. You will never an agan. A greediness no. Because of it, Ebo ma beer. Ebo was not in support of you to boom. Una totaba. Una do yovi boguao. Ovi bo smart you. Now your present of it go the bomb for us. They kwe mugwe. A story of ugwe. Ija. Okay, can I fear you wija? Aya 12 years oba. A story where ogwia ogwia mai. Ogwia mai. A story where makeke na ta. Now where did they throw away animal where dead and they're supposed to throw away you? You are not a brother of blood. Because a donation to your blackmail man, it's not your money. It's people have their money. Get away and fuck off. Get behind me. I hate people when they take people glory. You take glory of people have their money. Imale keva no take a glory okay man. Uriye yo dretas on yore and the edita. Ugi ona eme. Inyagbe agege you on. Inyagbe moto so you on. Oge pay the money una be 1 million una be saga e buy ese we na fu egbe. You when go collect money for yore go collect. Everybody we don't give 10 naira. Oga dem agin we oya saga we. Umay on area me no man of for my gbe. Una don't ever see me they use my gift to attend the saga I no ge. Me I no ge with the guy was saga normally. I don't ever say na so I dey gift am. Na so I dey gift am. Who ge ona eme? Ovio gbogbo ovio go egbe. Ovio so am you gwa. Obviously, I'm social media do you well, but una do escape a blessing in life. A social media do you well. Ubere no kiale le work by agbonare among odo a peace of mind. A tsunami away. Only mati exchange of currency. Are go no ya check exchange rates. Only mati exchange of currency. A destiny where we exchange. Who were yes social media ya exchange a destiny way. Clock it Yore clock it. Oh yes, social media you escape a destiny way. You cannot eat your cake and have it. You cannot serve 2 masters at a time. This life, you cannot eat your cake and have it. If you want to have a certificate, you want go school, you want may you get degrees for inside house, you go need social media. Now so I dey tell you no gear every day. Now so I dey tell you no gear. A driver license in only your head that they see for inside motor. You dey go driving school, you're there. Now only your head that they see for inside motor. No we driver license I beg benike unwo pa yan beg ba I beg bowe I want no fear any motor only your head. What be your problem? There will no a color problem where you're there no na get block ma who we saga from morning till night who talot e do na makona who go kiam mi no re ma ya gbe no ru we gbe wo muni manu ki ma be yo bog gbe kere go ba bege mi no re gbe ma mo gwere na be bege na be de bon do we don't na be collect you woman bring your own me we see am na only you want to see wetin the person body who talk where who may your gwe se de no be o ma gwe ya be do una be fi opa fuwa wari agbari abe ebe dion ma were gbe yin wewe ao inya anyi wewe evanu na bako evanu na depress ma mene quick atekele evanu we na depress me he was again that day I know you I just see the cook I just say man see waiting the sub for the media space nive feel my house because a man be watching me not be mama talk yesterday way in they use me to the work he said na my live video into the work oh I bet make they come on live oh na me into the work I say make I see do a few days ago. Or is a wa kabashi. Or my no ya be tie. Yari agbari abe ebe di o ma gi we. Ebe di o ma gi we. Okay, ebe di o ma mi boya yin we. I make yin nu gwa ni we ke ya de ba rita. Because when na imi we e moswari ba ya tie ba we moswari. Na imi we e kedere rita je a man that is 80 something years. You dey say rita you say ga take it papa. Everywhere say 50 years okay fianwu. Hypocrites. Hypocrite no mama. This one not get mama papa again. If papa and mama die for early age, na trolley take and come abroad. Then we do we bo at the age of 15 years. E on dan everywhere we ju na fianwu. Era vi ju ma toya marry ewe. Erita a father is 80 something years. He live a legit and a comfortable life. Ah, okwo no je school for that matter. Ekwemu we. Aebuku. Meno gwana ma ye versi. Uwi vie teme ya e monera me bia my siblings ke nora America ke ya. Mama je school because he man wan wogwa. But am I not doing well? Am I not making my father to be proud? Oh, talk ni me lay foundation yera mo mu ni me, era mo fion to me. Big acre of land because I dey do well. I dey make my papa proud. Imagine grande, imagine man gbalegbede. That is how a father will make a child will make the father to be proud. You dey mad for head ini, you dey craze. Rita papa de mortuary, ya de bay. Ere Rita de mortuary, my venu ya te ba de mortuary no, abi emusu ngino. Ya de bay Rita no make na je even from egbe. We ba ke ya fi, we me we ayoma ya if you are no me. Then na imi egwe Rita, ugwe ore freezer bi kenoje, where they lay out to rest. Ugwe oviere ge dioma. 80 something years old man, oviere maya. Vi ate ege Felicia. Mom me na the he cousin sister where he drug where he come bring her come out. A foolish and a betrayer and a bastard cousin sister. Where he carry Rita say give you now. He papa die of at the age of 50 something years. Felicia ni no lele boni kakiani. Oni no sungu. Where your organic cream Felicia mama. Felicia ubome mari eviri. Organic cream in umurevo. He can't use Timaya. Ogbonisana yawa. Oda yawe ambassador. Felicia they say cream. Queenie akekeun. Queenie kekeun ya kekeun. Boy kekeun. I want to put to now some of una to order. Felicia Rita yememo cousin sister. Felicia ubome me na eviri. Na be son name. You see that Ashawo woman? Ashawo woman. If I tell na say Monica platform adulterous, Gracie, so adulterous in it. Adulterous for Monica platform. Gracie, Gracie. Gracie is just a daji of adulterous. Daji yekibiba. Now de Felicia mama, na he found that platform. Adulterous group. Then what na make a precious make grown. Obiade na call there because obiade ma wa adulterous there. If you see Monica group, you see adulterous women. If I lie, either they'll go married or mama for us. Here waiting on modo. Here ya omo bi okakere. Pedophile. All those women where picking where reach to be their age, first picking age. They'll go marry her. They sleep with person husband. Felicia mama men are the lady Rita cousin sister. That one that useless woman. That one get Oibo, all the old black men bola for Italy. Oh ya zizobo ne ekiya. Oh ya ekin 1 by 2. Ogi dwefo ne ni yo mo esogu ekeke agigbe Felicia bo meme na yebiri. He come say they say calamine lotion. Oga the calamine lotion in Nigeria. Odo mu ni yo Felicia organic cream. Odo one you we container. He come carry Timaya una no na Timaya na where they wear catapult jeans ring. Timaya rima no Napoli. Ona ya wa basodo. Mo na Timaya make come filter. Etimaya ga mwefitain. Anya me viewa. Ere baku ya fefe don ri Etimaya gbe. Na that Felicia cream na idun. Timaya, one of his leg, eczema chopper. One of his dona ye na mano no escape accident. O mani amu acid kwe. Uwe noro Timaya de my gallery. If not this the leg go put on nana. I know they toss something way not get evidence. Etimaya rema. If I put on now me ade. Awe madam wetin I do you? Where you disaga me? Or say now I see I. Etimaya wa bere Timaya agbamoge no na zetu o. E crime Felicia mo me mari biri. Ave adulterous group. Na Felicia cream na chop Timaya face. Wa bere Etimaya ga mwefita yin. Wait I want una remember Pandediama bushmeat, all those late premature children where they take the act only with that type Pandediama bushmeat. Eri face Timaya yivo mwefita yin. E crime Felicia mo me mari biri. Na he chop Timaya face like that. Felicia adulterous group where you they fight, you want fight for Monica. Now Monica because the last time I checked, now Monica now they saga Rita too they saga Monica with the Precious Meg. I not hear, I never hear Yore for Rita Matt. All of a sudden, Onona was so he say people where Rita they follow the fight. Who be the person or Obama? A mama na mama. A mama na mama wet your Obama may what betide you. May what betide you, Yore. A mama na mama. Now that one, now they fight for say, you don't know anything Yore they try to do. If they find where you want trigger all those people brain, make it brainwash them, make them for go scatter Rita mama barrier. Now it make me come on this live video. It shock una be. Yeah, it shock una. Una know what Yore they do. Yore na person be say if they use 5 people ete they knock. Oh na me when you guys say yayo. Eminete reki viere awe saga the saga na tell me I tell you. Na you they threaten it away. Omana je gbese ya scatter e berera. See person wo na the worship na the consult and water ministry. Ubega agbonwe. We not take boy olokun of salt and water. Not take boy water God say salt and water. Of salt and water, see your life. You are a wicked woman. Now, so they see some people like this. He want make him mastermind, make it trigger all those people, so that he is a ta. And we need Facebook where they go, they lay petition, they go police station, they report themselves, they take undertaking. She they come, they thank you, my love. God bless you. Say true talk. She want me, she come, they do summary, they summarize everything. They trigger those other parts where they follow Rita, they do saga. So that all those ones go come get that, the thing will come there, their head say, we not forgive Rita, oh. We need to, because say Papa de mortuary. See person where they say in they call God, we don't know where Genesis, Revelation day, you don't know where Bible day. If waiting at your stock now, I dey lie for you, may God punish me. This woman, now slow pointing, snake under the green grass. Oh man, no lay no. As he said that they do saga na do riegbe your no me no kan ho na we 100,000 no rie ni yan ge Facebook no saga na go kan we if not be say na frustration where they worry you if they find where you want trigger the Monica so that thing where they do for Facebook after say Rita Papa they want do Rita Papa burial that one they plan Papa burial so that they will come go scatter their Papa burial. You are a wicked woman. Now let people wey no know you where they feel say, inya do wa komo ovi gbove saga nu o se omona bie o sie una ye saga ya exchange emu biwe ovi gbo na we di oboyo because I was working oswonu monkon. God go bless una. Una don't see where trigger me now. I settle that they listen to this shower since. Now, person will be say, saga where Monica and Rita they do, ask what it concern again. No, maybe not concern Ogyoba, nana miegwe. He want me or is a trigger, or is a zolo. All those who come they connive, they come they plan. I don't want to go scatter that one, mama, scatter a papa burial. He got song bon saying me now. A song bon saying me. Ekwe muwe, uwe no gi. Ashawa bashawe, she fed God smoke Morocco. Repeated a shower use Morocco ne unwe kankan ne wa obi gbona we no stop ona ya condition we ma ye mare we no be a condition we no ba re no ba shawo no ba wi no po no ba siga no ba ebi ya fefefe no ga wu then no stop oye gogi we because on wa pa bobo kin a pa bobo emu wa gbe o who you help the man where we your bona money where they donate for them won win na won yen any go unu awasi we win na we kedo retire we le fabrica de ekwe mu we he said and so national Rita they use a passport they mock there. If they use passport they mock them in colleague. If they use the certificate they mock their colleague. Now let one go school. Many queen no make was bidon. A BSc me yasaga no gie because it's not easy. And then no matter my lady now Ibo now I take get paper for Germany. My pikin there for 12 years. He remains 6 years. He say no, I want to do passport. Man, no. Now they tell me this one. He say me will be woman get passport. I get a BS. I take do one. He said because the law they say if he pikin complete 18 years because he pikin now he bo pikin half caste. He not get BS. He say they go deport and go Nigeria. Now I say brother, they not they fit the right exam for person. What do you go do? You go pending your work. May you go do your BS. Now I still give her another expose. You go the right time. You the right time. You the rewrite time. Some people their brain not they carry book exam. Me now once I do my own. They say some people we have for do exam. Some people don't do 7 times before they go pass. You go the rewrite time. You don't need to go school because you they work. You don't get time. They right time with the ole. Maybe one day you go pass them. You understand? Why am I saying this one? Me, waiting I get, I don't tell the shakara. When Monica go carry Monitola Mohammed passport come at that day, it shocked me. Say, woman, when you they do saga, you they pull mountain. You get children of 20-something years old, they not get red passport. Monica pack passport come out for the Abba. Ave jebo ivie, Abba ivie mono biele. Children that are above 20 years, 20-something years. See my daughter where they for year. My mother they be 8 years in Miami, 12 years in baby Germany. 8 years in Miami, baby Germany. If now na dem my shoe mona check am. Monica marry en by Netherlands 29 years for Holland or marry en ba. A working contract your mommy eh. Now only saga. If you see Monica, you see Yore. If you see Monica, you see Yore. That's what two of them be. Eriya ro. I want to take una as a role model. Where be say, una not the show live by example. It's not good now. You have to put one basa. And you are cooking. You want to go and stay inside. The most fun basa to Salba market. Family mona show love. I'm a carbon have a wait or the have waiting $1. Who you help? Don't want you're happy. When I join me, enough of it. Me when I BS now get with my work when I they do. Yo. You could not get good guania because of quickie. Imweko ya wina, na we saga me bae. They said I become money. Now maybe they carry belle they go work. Udigo no, but everybody knows that I become money. And they increase go because of what because of I want me my maternity leave make it long. Make it for quick my baby to start school. Because if I quit stop work as I get belle, mama egba 2 months. Me and come when need those swing winner. I also not decide because I want make I do muta shoes. Make I do one for very long time. Make I forget enough time for my pikin. Nurse my pikin. It's common sense. Do you know what it takes to go and acquire a degree? You know what it takes? A woman sacrificed 3 years of her goddamn time. She sacrificed 3 years of her life. Best way get children, all the level, all the cook more, all the way a routine or more, all the years go more the appointments. You don't even know what it you go which way you're a bit too soon good devagua. Una the thing may be easy for woman way get children. Mame movogwa adoya tie baby school. Do you think it's easy to wake up early morning? If it's easy, well, so I say no runner. If easy, why not get no runner? That's why we defeat the master to the challenge you now. Let's call the spade a spade. If easy, may do bauge and eke da gati mi majo e yare shule. Ado tiebe, ado reply school, ado be letter do ye parents meet, ado ya appointment. Who do worry about the worry? Go we do win a buy, I do way social media. Then you expect make it Rita not use you two do this one. Uwana bebo yore. You two do you they expect somebody where you get children husband where you they say kokobiri because Omasuobo kokobiri is the best. Yes. Ovie Ghana the go menen ya pay gbese. Imeri go be Ghana bagepo ina ya pay gbese clock it. Onion sie ni na respect kokobiri. Eri bieka na agwa madam fakulo ba kokobiri is the best. They are the best igbovo oluja working ya. Igbofo obi gbobala lowe una we saga yo una ri saga le liviedo una ama bogboda family a member siwe igiyan la lowe emi ya o ya gbofo. This woman is a pretender no kwa gebe mana. Clock it yore kokobiri is the best. Mo kama we na get why because Rita mare kokobiri obiere ma eviela den one day ama eso agege yo unde oda fo eme egenya ede eni ya na ya nya gbon ya gwe. You don't ever see Rita they do saga 4 o'clock for night. Mona go Monica page. A Monica I do a live video at 12 o'clock. Although ya do you 5 o'clock a.m. But a Rita Nugwa saga of here, even get one the way she they do a live video. The first day when she start to reply the Monica. Or even 1 o'clock, her husband say, my love, baby, oh yeah, let's go to bed. Now those one I be women, yes, comfortable as wife. When it day 1 p.m., the husband say, baby, let's go to bed. Because he know say, the woman need to rest. She need to use her back to touch ground. Now I make her the jealous of Yere. See us where she mansion where she built. Now her husband I join her to build that house. Ma we be say, oh kokobri, the man get projects for Bini. Kokobri where get business for Bini. Where he get business, get property for Bini. Now I say they call kokobiri because no no. Also the kokobiri now overthrow wa. Ovie Ghana de origo by go ni mene me ya pay gbese clock it yore. Eke bonagbue, eke ovi bonagbue. Oga monoro ariave you know because you don't want to do the needful. See the what they call now Dominion. A Dominion not bad Nigeria nia. What they call they use the deportation to the rob biviere. You think say they not get sense abi? Esta momo no fata oye. Esta to show fata oye. Oni body do me well. No say ne. IVF mana wuna be gboni. Fati bungbe. Fati bungbe be gboni. Person wey wan do IVF oni no ro. O iwa sili bi oko. O sili bi egwe. O sili be ibie mila. O sili bi buffalo. Obviously o sili bi egwe. All the old animal intestine. Esther or see you will freezer river. So other person want to achieve. If person they talk, come on, go on. Here we queen sees fire. A queen is a fire. Una not rich and they lie. Area bamoge. I mean now meow eunuta. A person where you want to do IVF. All the old animal intestine there your freezer. I want to acquire an honest monoro. Pa Jerry Laho. Obo kawekebo achieve a IVF ya besoro getting don ikimo make it they reduce oil meats. Esther not supposed to they eat anything meat again. If na fish or protein, now fish is supposed to they eat. Only was it. Hello guys, we just came back from slaughter. A bath to the aqua or money ima on the disturb. Hello guys, our vie bath to the aqua Oviole loto. Osili bi oko osili bi ewe. Ibie antelope. Ibie kete ibie pig. Osile ya you. Hello guys. We keep goat meat, we keep cow, we keep antelope, we keep buffalo. We keep grass cutter. Although guaya. Although because of say African German first lady we When my beg Africa's Java first lady, all nigga area body for ne, all do aru level wa. But at least she dey burn fat. She dey burn fat because everybody body don't be the same. So body day, if you like you eat fat, you not go show for your body. When you make me worry about son. Ella me because you know why I dey work. I hardly stay for this house. Say a week. A 1 week, even though snow they fall. Say 1 full week, me not come out. As how now. I want to happen. 7 days of the week, I they come out. Whether not by work or by appointment or by activities or by shopping or I they go out. Your body need to get flexible. What my beg Esther to show no. Only guy one mama ya gane. Now you not get fan base. Now you not get gifter. The next one are the year. I go block you. I'm a water with Esther. You never see reduce. How many kilo you do?